What's up, guys? Matt with 𝗙𝗘𝗔𝗥 here with another video. Hey, look, this one is a little bit more unique. We're not jeeping, we're not on the trail, I'm not restoring jet skis or any other random garage projects that I'm typically wrapped up in. I will say, though, this is certainly a project in the garage that I have been working on for a while now, and that is cryptocurrency mining. A few years ago, I really got into this big and built an enclosure in my garage that had a full heat exhaust system that I ducted right up through the attic out of the front of the house. And I had several GPUs. I had a few ASIC miners in there, and it was humming along great. And then Bitcoin kind of plummeted. So that put the kibosh on that. I sold a lot of the hardware that I had. But hindsight, if I would have just kept the gear and kept it humming along, Lord knows where I'd be sitting today now that Bitcoin is basically hovering around $60,000. And what time is it now? It's 3:22, so March 22nd at the time of recording this video. It's around 55,000 and almost got up to 62,000 at one point in time. So incredible surge based on when I was doing this last. And basically, when I first got into cryptocurrency mining, it was back in 2013, somewhere around that time frame, and I was mining Litecoin with 4 GPUs and 2 separate computers, and I thought I was doing something really cool. I wound up making about 50 Litecoins back in the day. And at the time, it was real attractive because each Litecoin was worth $50, US dollars. So that amassed it to be a pretty good bit, a little bit of money. And, I thought it was going great. Well, then Litecoin, plummeted to virtually nothing. So rather than selling the $50 that I had, the 50 coins, I just set that wallet file, which is where your coins are stored, on my Dropbox account. And fast forward into a few years ago, Litecoin got all the way up to almost $400, and that's when I cashed out. Ever since then, it's been a super, hobby of mine. I absolutely love the idea of mining cryptocurrency as a passive income stream. You literally just set them up, you get them tweaked and dialed in, and you let them do their thing. And, right now, I've got the 8 GPUs in the garage. I have 2 ASICs in this enclosure I'm about to show you guys. They are a Baikal, however you say the company name, Giant B, as well as same vendor, Baikal X10. So the Giant B right now is really doing library coin mining, so LBRY algorithm. And the X10 can actually mine on several different algorithms, but none of which are really profitable right now. But I leave it running. It's making about $1.50 a day, but you never know when one of those algorithms could spike. So I just let it sit there and let it hum along. And then Giant B's been averaging around $5 a day on library. And, as you probably well guessed at this point in time anyway, all the other GPUs are mining Ethereum. And I've got 2 additional GPUs that are not going to be in this garage, tour that I give you here in a second. They're actually in my main system, which is what I'm recording this video on now. And I'll throw up a graphic of it here in a second. But it's got 2 Radeon VIIs. And again, those are dialed in and tweaked and making about or hashing at about 98 mega hash a second each. So not too bad for a somewhat dated GPU at this point, considering the brand new RTX 3080 is pretty much at the same point. So definitely a fun hobby. If you've got any questions, if you want to, go in together and build a rig, or if you've got some sort of, back end access to the new GPUs at retail prices, hit your boy up in the comments and let me know. And I'll be happy to exchange some wisdom and some knowledge to get you started for some retail price GPUs. So anyway, that aside, always happy to see you guys. Make sure to like the video if you enjoy this tour. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. And enjoy the show. I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough. Keep in mind, it is a little noisy. There are fans running, so I'm not really going to do any voiceovers. I'm just going to let you see everything that I've got running in the garage. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next episode.